What's going on, Brew Crew? So we have the Monster Bass box here. Now I did order late in October, so this is actually October. I want to show you how amazing the baits are that actually came in this box. We have the tag and the awesome sticker. Straight out of it, I see a live target Savage Gear bluegill, a Strike King buzzbait, we have a Norman deep diving lure. Alright, we have a couple drop shot hooks. We have the Spro MK Crawler MD55. Now we have 3 plastics, and they are all filled to the brim with soft plastics. First up, we have Big Bite Baits, 4-inch crawls. We have Cruncher Bait tubes. And lastly, we have some bite baits. Now, all of this for just the low price. These are all legit companies. Alright guys, so that is the October's regional Monster Bass box. I love this box because wherever you're at in the United States, they have different regional boxes that they'll customize the baits into your specific region. I'm in the Northwest, so my box is dedicated to the time and season of my area, and they choose their baits off of those conditions. So something that would be effective for me right now would be in this box. But if I gave this box to someone in California or Florida, they would have a little bit of a tougher time catching the bass. But go ahead, give these guys a look. You don't have to go straight in for the subscription. They have what you call gift boxes that you pay just one time, boom, you'll get a gift box. Which, that's pretty cool if you want to just test it out. But in the description of this video, I have a link. It's my click the Linktr.ee /brucrewfishing in the description. Go to Monster Bass, and there's a couple discounts there, so make sure you hook yourself up with some discounts, and definitely give Monster Bass a try. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See you, Brew Crew.